Where the hell my phone? Where the hell my phone? Where the hell my phone? Huh? How I'm supposed to get home? Where the hell my phone? Where the hell my phone? Where the hell my phone? Huh? How I'm supposed to get home? Okay, 2:15 and the lights come on. Where my phone? Looking around like where my phone? Looking where my homies went. Where the hell my homies went? Where the hell my homies went? How I'm supposed to get home? How I'm supposed to get home?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's my
Passing my mind, girl, don't you slow it down. If we carry on this way, this thing might leave the ground. How would you like to fly? That's how my queen should ride. But you still deserve the crown. Well, hasn't it been found? Mama, listen. Señorita, I feel for you. Feel for you. You deal with things that you don't have to do. He doesn't love you. I can tell by his tone. He don't love you, baby. But you can feel this real love. If you just think about it. Won't you lay my mama, lay my
Yeah. Check me out now. Yo, check me out now. Yo. Yeah, put your hands in the air, everybody, come on. Where them dogs at? Hey yo, I'm immaculate, come through masculine. Wide body frame, E-Dub's the name. Whoa, in the field of rap, I'm superb, I'm fly. I should be in the sky with birds. I ride 20-inch rims when I lean, yo. Hey yo, them tins, I know I keep them clean though. Come through, storm the block like El Nino. Scoop up an Arabic chick before she close. She goes, those my people. Yeah, them broads from Puerto Rico, them keep folks. Yeah, watch how the E-Lo 64. Black rag, black interior, ship on the flow. Burn out, I do it for them kids that hop on the turnstile. The E going wild. Yo, like them white chicks on the DVD. Yeah, I'm worldwide, MTV and BET. Yeah. Whatever she said, then I'm that. If this here rocks to y'all, then we laugh. Yeah.